Hello student, welcome to SBIST GATE tutorial. I'm Shongita Purkait, Assistant Professor of SBIST College. তো আজকে আমি তোমাদের সিভিল 2021 এর গেটের নিউমেরিক্যাল থেকে একটা কোয়েশ্চেন এসছে। দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 27, এটাই ডিসকাস করছি। দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ দ্য ভ্যালু অফ দ্য integration 0 to 1 e to the power x dx using the trapezoidal rule with four equal subinterval. Now first of all we have to know what is the formula of trapezoidal rule. The formula of trapezoidal rule is h by 2 f0 plus fn plus 2 into f1 f2 plus dot 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 fn minus. Now what is our function? Our required function is which is given in the question paper, e to the power x. That is, we have to put just fx equal to e to the power x. Okay, so that is f0 is the initial value of the function, fn is the final value of the function, and f1 f2 dot 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 fn minus were our remaining values of the function. Now you just see that here the number of, if we denote the subinterval as n, so we have n is equal to 4, because it is given in the question paper that there is 4 equal subinterval. Okay, so n is equal to 4 means this fn will be f4, this fn will be f4, and this fn minus 1 will be f3. Okay, so that is our formula will be h by 2 f0 plus f4 plus 2 into f1 plus f2 plus f3. Okay, now what is the formula between h and n? This is very vital here. The relation between h and n. H is the step length, okay, and n is the subinterval. And what is small b? Small b is the upper limit of the integration, and small a is the lower limit of the integration. That is, we have the lower limit small a equal to 0 and upper limit small b equal to 1. Now h is equal to b minus a by n. Okay, so that is, we have h is equal to 1 minus 0 by 4, that is 0.25. Now the another vital formula is xi equal to x0 plus ih. That is very vital formula. এটা আমাদের next step এ কিন্তু আমাদের use করতে হবে. That is xi equal to x0 plus I into h. x0 is the initial value of x and I is any constant number. And একটা জিনিস just বুঝে রাখো, if n is equal to 4, then I will always equal to 4. That is, n is always equal to r. That is, we have to put the values of I is equal to, the values of I is will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the next step is how to find the values of f1 f2 f3 f4, because আমাদের তো f1 f2 f3 f4 এর value মানে we need this value for this calculation. So now how to find this value? Now we know xi equal to x0 plus ih and x0 equal to 0. We know the lower limit small a equal to 0, and you just remember that this small a, that is the lower limit, will always equal to x0. That means we can write this integration a to b, or this we can write integration x0 to xn. ঠিক আছে? Okay, now x0 equal to 0, and we know h equal to 0.25, and our fx is e to the power x. So we now find the values. First we put I is equal to 1, so we get x1 equal to x0 plus ih by using this formula. Xi equal to x0 plus ih, so x1 will be x0 plus 1 into h. Now putting the values of x0 and h, we get x1 equal to 2.5. That is, f1 will be f of x1. F1 means the values of the function at the point of x1. ঠিক আছে, তো f1 will be e to the power 0.25, since fx equal to e to the power x, that will be 1.2840. Now we put I is equal to 2, so we get x2 equal to x0 plus 2h হয়ে যাবে, that is 0 plus 2 into 0.25, that is 0.5. that is 0.5. Similarly, we get f2. F2 means the values of the function at the point x2. Okay, that is f of x2. So e to the power 0.5, that will be 1.6487. এগুলো just you just put this value in calculator and get 1.2840 Next we put I is equal to 3. So we get x3. x3 equal to x0 plus 3h, that will be 0.75. Similarly, we get f3. f3 equal to e to the power 0.75, that will be 2.1170. And at last we put I is equal to 4. Because আমি আগেই বলেছি যে since n is equal to 4, তো I will be 1 2 3 4. So n is equal, I is equal to 4, so we get x4, that is 4 into 0.25, that will be 1. And f4 equal to e to the power 1, that is 2.7183. Okay, one more vital thing, that the integration is given 0 to 1. That is, we get the initial value 0 and we get the final value 1. And we will get the other values such as x1, x2, x3, which lies between 0 to 1 always. So starts with 0 and ends with 1. Starts with 0 and ends with 1. That is very vital. Okay, last we put the values in the formula, which was h by 2 f0 plus f4 plus 2 into f1 plus f2 plus f3. So that will be, after calculation, 1.2725 approximately. I think these values is in option 2. So your option 2 will be correct. Okay, so I hope you understand how to find the values of the integral by using trapezoidal rule. So thanks for watching.